Welcome to the top best. The best hotel curtains is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial elements in creating a truly immersive and comfortable hotel experience, transforming a simple room into a sanctuary of relaxation and privacy. These aren't just fabric panels, they are the silent guardians of your sleep, the architects of ambience, and the final touch that elevates a standard stay into a memorable escape, ensuring that every guest feels pampered and undisturbed from the moment they step inside. Number 5. NNY Home Waffle Weave Shower Curtain Set. Experience hotel luxury at home with our complete 3-in-1 shower solution. It includes a stylish waffle weave curtain and a detachable liner, plus 12 hooks for an effortless setup. The fabric liner easily snaps on and off, making cleaning or replacement a breeze. It even features magnets at the bottom corners to keep it in place. Enjoy a brighter, more airy shower space. The mesh top panel allows light to enter and air to circulate, creating a private spa-like atmosphere. Both the curtain and liner are designed to repel water, ensuring it glides off quickly. This helps it dry fast and stay fresh. Keeping your shower fresh is simple. This set is machine washable and fits any standard shower or tub, measuring 71 inches wide by 72 inches long. What we like? This set offers a complete shower solution with its integrated liner and hooks. If you're looking for convenience and an easy-to-clean option, this is a great choice. Its mesh window also helps with air circulation and light. What people say. The blackout feature is excellent, blocking out almost all light. The fabric is thick and feels very durable, and the color is exactly as pictured. They hang beautifully and give the room a luxurious feel. Number 4. Creative Sense White Fabric Shower Curtain 72 by 72. Transform your bathroom into a serene spa with our premium white waffle weave shower curtain. Its elegant design and hotel-quality feel will bring a touch of luxury to your daily routine. This curtain features a water-resistant waffle weave design that effectively keeps water out. Enjoy a cleaner and drier bathroom environment with this functional and stylish addition. Crafted from heavy-duty 230 GSM fabric with strong, rust-free metal grommets, this curtain is designed for durability. It offers a soft, comfortable cotton-like feel and is environmentally friendly. Cleaning is a breeze with this machine-washable curtain. Simply wash it in cold water with mild detergent and tumble dry on low for easy care. Measuring 72 by 72 inches, it fits standard showers and bathtubs perfectly. Upgrade your bathroom with this durable and decorative curtain today, risk-free. What we like? Experience hotel luxury at home with this premium waffle weave curtain. If you desire a soft, cotton-like feel and a durable, water-repellent design, this is the perfect upgrade for your bathroom. It's designed for those who appreciate a spa-like ambience. What people say. Beautiful spa-like fabric. Easy to clean by putting it in the washer and dryer. Hang up immediately after drying and it will look good as new. It's heavy, thick, and the texture is exactly what I was looking for. High quality and easy to wash, definitely recommend using a steamer to get out those wrinkles for a hotel finish. Number 3. NICETOWN Blackout Sliding Door Curtains. Introducing our premium blackout curtains, designed to perfectly fit your sliding glass doors. They offer exceptional light blocking and thermal insulation for any room. These curtains come in an extra-wide 100 inches by 84 inches length, providing full coverage. They feature versatile back tab and rod pocket designs for easy installation. Worried about the length? Our curtains can be easily adjusted up to 3 inches shorter using rings and hooks, ensuring a perfect fit for your windows. Save on energy costs by protecting your furniture from sun damage and maintaining a comfortable room temperature year-round. Enjoy enhanced privacy and a better night's sleep. Crafted from innovative triple-weave polyester, these curtains are incredibly soft yet durable. They are ideal for sliding doors, patio doors, and large windows. Hang them alone for a sleek look or pair them with our sheer curtains for a layered effect. They are perfect for dividing rooms and adding elegance to your home. We pride ourselves on high-quality products and excellent customer service. Your satisfaction is our top priority, so feel free to reach out with any questions. What we like? This extra-wide panel is perfect for large windows or sliding doors, offering excellent light blocking and thermal insulation. If you need to divide a room, enhance privacy, or ensure a good night's sleep, this is an ideal solution. It's designed for maximum coverage and energy efficiency. What people say. During the summer, the sun sets facing the patio. Having these clothes dropped the temperature enough that I was pretty amazed. Lately, it has been pretty cold, rainy and windy. They block an incredible amount of wind and the rain doesn't go through them. Great quality. Perfect size. The black ones block out light the best. Also helps regulate the temperature indoors. Great light fabric that does a heavy job. When that afternoon hot sun hits the deck, the whole dining room used to heat up. Now we don't even feel the heat or see the sun. Also love a back tab. It is my favorite type to hang. Looks like drapes and hangs and slides so easy without hooks or rings. Number 2. Farmhouse style 100% blackout curtains, 84-inch length. Introducing our elegant farmhouse style curtains, designed to bring both beauty and functionality to your home. These drapes offer a timeless appeal that complements any decor. Crafted from a high-quality blend of 70% polyester and 30% linen, these curtains drape beautifully and resist wrinkles. They are perfect for creating a modern, farmhouse, or boho aesthetic in any room. Enjoy complete darkness and privacy with our 100% blackout feature. They effectively block sunlight, UV rays, and help insulate your room, reducing noise and balancing temperature for ultimate comfort. Each package includes a set of 2 curtain panels, along with 32 curtain rings and 32 pin hooks for effortless setup. Each panel measures 50 inches wide by 84 inches long, providing full coverage. Customize your look with multiple hanging options. You can use the included hooks and rings for easy sliding, the back tabs to conceal the rod, or classic rod pocket style. Keeping these curtains pristine is simple. They are machine washable in cold water and can be tumble dried on low. For best results, iron on the front side on a low setting if needed. What we like. Achieve complete darkness and a stylish look with these 100% blackout curtains. If you prioritize a serene sleeping environment, noise reduction, and temperature balance, these are for you. The included hardware makes installation a breeze for a modern farmhouse or boho aesthetic. What people say. They had 3 different ways to hang and came with rings and clips that they do a nice job of blocking light and cold. These blackout curtains exceeded every expectation. The color tone is perfect for my living room, rich enough to add depth, yet soft enough to blend with my decor. They create such a classy, cozy vibe with their clean linen lines. Functionally, they're amazing. When the sun hits that one annoying spot in the afternoon, these curtains block it completely without damaging my window frame or door. They hang beautifully, feel high quality, and instantly elevate the whole room. Very nicely made curtains. I do suggest that you make sure you have a strong curtain rod, however, as these curtains are substantial and heavy. Perfect for light blocking and insulating for any room. Number 1. Timeper Gold Brown Velvet Curtains. Introducing our luxurious velvet curtains, designed to add a touch of elegance to any room. These curtains offer a soft touch and a heavy texture for a truly comfortable and opulent feel. Enjoy enhanced privacy and a serene environment. These drapes block 65 to 85% of light and provide a degree of sound insulation, creating a peaceful atmosphere for your indoor activities. Each set includes 2 well-made panels, crafted from high-quality, thick velvet. They are designed for durability and a premium look and feel. Customize your window treatments with ease. Both back tab and rod pocket styles are included, fitting rods up to 2.5 inches for a flexible and stylish display. Keeping your curtains looking their best is simple. They are machine washable or dry cleanable, with spot cleaning options available for convenience. These beautiful drapes are ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and more. Enhance any space with their sophisticated design and practical benefits. What we like. Add a touch of luxury and comfort to your space with these rich velvet curtains. If you're looking for a soft texture, a sophisticated look, and moderate light blocking for a cozy atmosphere, these are an excellent choice. They're perfect for creating a warm and inviting ambience in bedrooms or living rooms. What people say. Absolutely stunning and gorgeous material, color, and thickness blocks all light and changes the entire look of a room. Great quality, size, fit, and function. Installation was easy and they are washable as well. Luxurious velvet texture with color that matches as advertised. Super high quality, luxury feel, Doesn't have a liner, but it is thick and you can see slight brightness beneath the curtain during the day, but it still substantially blocks light and heat. Not to mention beautiful color and heavy feel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.